What's up, everybody? Welcome back to R3 TV, and today is a new day. So today I'm just going to be vlogging today. It is a nice, beautiful Saturday, Florida winter day, and it feels amazing outside. And I got some little bit of free time, so I'm going to be messing with the Accord again. Where we left off last time is I was starting to get the inside clean. Today I may go to the fabric store. I want to take my door panels off. Again, I'm going with the inside of the car, getting the inside of the car together. I'm going to start with the door panels too. I want to get these black. Of course, take the this carpet, vinyl, whatever this is, off. Get these painted. I think I'm going to keep the OEM. Go for OEM clean look. Get these painted black, and then just change the fabric on there. But today I'm about to run the Autozone and figure out what's going on. Okay. Fail. I need to figure out what's going on with the trunk. Again, I threw everything back in there. But let's see if it's wet. And it is. If you can see, it rained very hard for the last couple days, and the trunk is soaked. So I'm gonna see if I can track down today. Now we have a nice day. Wow, that is like, that's about 2 inches of water, 1.5 inches of water just sitting in the trunk, which is not good at all. So I'm gonna pull all this stuff back out and go get some paint for the trunk and see if I can track down where this is coming from. I'm probably gonna run a hose over the trunk and see where it's coming from. So first I gotta run the Autozone, get some stuff, and I'll be back. Pulling out the old trusted dusty Audi today. I'm gonna take this on a little drive. I rarely drive this thing. Really need to clean it out. Took it to IFO a couple weeks ago, but nothing crazy. It's a little messy. Need to clean it out, but we're gonna take a trip. Also need to fix a leak in my airbags because PSI drops all the way like to 50 PSI instead of 150. Another thing I need to figure out, but let's roll. Welcome back to AutoZone. I come in AutoZone, I don't know what I need. I just be coming in here and looking. Just because I like the look of this. I just love the look of this. But let me come in here. Let me get what I came in here for. And get out of here. Went into AutoZone for one thing. Two things. Ended up spending $200. This is why I can't go to parts stores, because I'm like, oh, I need this. Oh, I need that. Oh, that'll be good to have. Let me get this. Let me get that. Then I can't buy regular parts cars because I'm buying just a whole bunch of regular, just normal stuff. I want race car parts only. Race car only. doing a tune-up on my dash truck. And I've never seen spark plugs this bad before.
Look at them.
Look how bad these spark plugs are.
Yeah.
That thing was running on his lat. This is the best one. Look how bad the best one is. Ew. All right, so a whole 6 hours later, I'm in the backyard again. This is what I'm gonna use to paint the back of the trunk. I don't know, seen it. I don't know why this ran, but it should do what I needed to do. And then I got some sealer, caulk, whatever you call it, Paul's sealer, to seal up the lining of the trunk. I got it just in case. I don't know what's leaking yet, but just in case there's anything leaking, like any of this leaking around here, I just got that to seal up anything. I also want to make sure it's not leaking behind the lights. Like it could be running down, running in the lights right here, and then running inside the car. I don't know, but yeah, that's definitely just standing water. So I'm gonna pull all this stuff out and see if I can find out what it is. So I'm using this grill scraper to get up the sound deadening stuff. Coming up fairly easy since, like I said, all this has been wet back here. So I'm gonna see how much of this I can get up without bringing in reinforcements. Yeah, all that shot. I'm just gonna chop back all this up. Didn't know I can hook up a trailer to my car. All right, so I got everything out of the trunk as far as carpet and panels. Got all the sound deadening. This was a pain in the butt decided to do, because one, it wasn't wet, and usually you use like dry ice or something. But I started recording again because I feel really stupid. And if this is where all the water, I don't think this side, I don't know where that's coming from yet, but the water that's on this side, I forgot that my freaking antenna has been broken for a long time. And of course, that's straight access down into the trunk. So if this is sitting sideways when it rains, all the water comes in here, probably fills up, runs down here, and fills this area. But this side, there is no antenna. I thought maybe like through the light top here, but I found the bolts and put everything in there. I really don't know yet where this side is coming from. but I think I've found this side. So gotta find a way to close this hole up real quick. I might just take it out and like stuff something in there, or I don't have anything to patch it or no Bondo or anything, so I'll figure out what to do with that. But all the sound deadening is up. I'm gonna vacuum it now and prep it for paint. All right, everything is vacuumed. I got all of those pieces out. It's still wet in a few places, so I might have to get something and just dry it out, wipe it out, just kind of get that rust and spray it down and just get the rust itself off of the out of the trunk itself. But I think I did a pretty good job getting all that sound deadening stuff out of the trunk. It took a minute to do, but it's done. I'm losing a little bit of daylight, so I don't see what else I can get done. So I just thought about it, since I was using this to scrape up the sound deadening. This is what you use to clean the grill, and it has is really good on grease and like stains and rust. So I just soak down the trunk with that, and then I can just scrub it with this, which seems to be working pretty good. Just a couple of scrubs, so that may take a while, but the car isn't going anywhere anytime soon, so I can do some scrub-a-dub and get some of that rust. I don't really care about these spots, just I don't want to just paint over the rust. So I'm gonna spend some time on this side, a little bit down here and over here, and see how far I can get. All right, although it doesn't look like it, I got it pretty clean as it's gonna be. It's dry, it just looks like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little coat of the truck liner. Got that out. So I'm gonna start over here because this is the smoothest side. Let's see what we get. Yeah, buddy. That's just one test layer on there. I think that looks much better. I must say, I do like how it turned out. Now that the sound deadening is gone, I'm sure it's gonna look a little different when it dries, but I think that is a successful trunk clean out. For the most part, I know where this leak is coming from. I'm gonna just stick something in there for now until I figure out what I want to do with that, and tighten up all of this light was loose, so I'm sure water was running down in here behind the light as well. And I'm just gonna monitor what was going on with the leak, but I'd say that's one step closer. Of course, I'm gonna do this a little better. I'm gonna cut out the rest of this carpet and finish the trunk, but I just wanted to put one coat down to see how it's gonna look. So I think that is some good progress.
All right, guys, thanks for watching once again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully I can keep some content coming as we get this car together. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.